Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Item Site Planning Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for production and material managers who work with a large number of item site planning records in the QAD 1.4.17 menu. You'll find that this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage item site planning details. Then, quickly and safely, upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how Item Site Planning Data Loader can help you manage your planning details with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by site, item number range, product line range, item type, supplier number range, or buyer planner range. The site filter field must contain a value in order to download or upload records. If we leave the rest of the filter fields open, all item planning records for the site specified in cell B1 will be downloaded. Let's specify an item number range. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Item Site Planning Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 1.4.17. Let's log in. The data is downloaded and we now see all records that match our search criteria. We see that the data fields of 1.4.17 Item Site Planning Maintenance menu from QAD are displayed. Gray highlighted fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into the QAD database. Green highlighted fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the value in these columns. For this demonstration, we'll change the inspection lead time and the minimum order quantity for all of the item site planning records we downloaded. Since data loaders use standard Excel spreadsheets, we have all of Excel's functionality, so we can simply copy-paste data from one cell to other cells. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send the modified data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Item Site Planning Data Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. Let's see if there are any other errors. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. We can now click the Download button again to verify that our new or edited information was uploaded successfully. And if we scroll over, we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. Please note that there is a version of the Item Site Planning Data Loader that allows you to massively create new item site planning records, in addition to changing attributes of existing item site planning data. Another great feature of this tool that planners will love is the MRP Inquiry button. Using the MRP Inquiry button, users can get real-time information about the selected item. Selecting the item and clicking on this button will show the 23.16 MRP Detail Inquiry report from QAD. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of item site planning records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Item Site Planning Data Loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.